Wow, Riley, why don't you just ask for help?
Yeah, sure. Look, I don't need help. I know this. Give me a sec. Excuse me. Sawzall Blades? Sawzall Blades? Appreciate it. In the right place. Just needed the right. What do we need?
Hey, this is exactly what we got right here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what we got.
129. Yeah. Let's see.
Was it? How much you were looking to spend?
I don't know. Not too much.
Wooden wood with nails. That'll be a good start.
Let's see.
It should fit.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That'll fit.
12 wood with nails. How long do you think these blades will last?
Not very.
Yeah,
These are cheap ones.
but they gotta be in better condition than what we're dealing with.
This
right
would
now.
probably be really good.
How about the 13 up there?
That would. Well, this would probably be good. See, this is pruning.
Yeah.
See,
Okay. So yeah, how much is that?
$10.
Think we should get it?
Yeah, why not? We should get both.
I mean, they're compatible, right?
They should be. It should be universal. See.
Yeah, and I figure, I'm not gonna cut the tree down again until. Yeah, I guess it's better we just finish the job, but
Let's just freaking do it.
Yeah.
All right.
That's just your 2 cents.
That's just my 2 cents. This is Home Depot. Home Depot review. 10 out of 10. Best place ever. We'll see you on the next one.